Reassembly from the field strip level. If the slide will not go smoothly into the frame, do not force it because this could cause damage and may void the warranty. First, take the slide. When replacing the piston, please note that the piston slides in the muzzle end and there is an opening in the slide right here, and the piston has flat spots that relate to that opening and should point toward the left side of the slide. So when the piston is in its proper seat, you have a flat spot here on top of the piston and a flat spot underneath, and this area here is open. Take the recoil spring assembly. The recoil spring assembly plate has a lug on this end, and the lug should be seated and locked down into this area right here of the slide and piston, joining them together. So we rotate this over, place the lug in its seat. The system is locked together now. Press down on this end, it pulls up the rear. Turn the slide. Take the frame and slide the frame into place. Turn the firearm over and make sure that the recoil springs are seated, which they are. When replacing the barrel, note the cutaways in the slide. The lugs on the barrel slide down into those cutaways. Push the barrel to the rear all the way. Place the firearm on the end and make sure that it is all the way to the rear. This will allow the barrel lock to be pushed up and in place, and the firearm has been reassembled.